I would like to change the exercise schedule for my Kohler 11 RMY generator but can't find a procedure in the operating manual.
When did you last clean or perform maintenance on your Kohler generator? How old is it?
Done 6 months ago. It is approximately 22 years old.
What have you tried so far with your Kohler generator?
Turned off line breaker and put in off position. Then put in run for over 20 minutes. No change to exercise schedule.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
The exercise schedule changed after a power outage when the generator did not kick on until I put it in run position.
Hello, customer. I was able to find the exercise setup schedule on page 21 of your owner's manual. Following is a digital copy highlighted in blue. Please click on it below to view. Thanks. Please let me know if there's anything else that I can do to help. https://www.manual/manual/9744226/Kohler8resv.html. Page equals 21.
I have a Kohler 11 RMY, not a 8 resv. Are the procedures the same? Also, I don't see any instruction here to reset exercise schedule.
On page 21, then depending on the controller that you have, it takes to fix 3.6 or 4.5.
These instructions are not for 11 RMY. I have no screen to read prompts. Generator is approximately 22 years old.
Click on this link. Don't overthink this, no display is required. This link is where I got that manual. You can open it yourself from here. https://search.yahoo.com/use/search. Spart equals TRP and simp equals use 001 and type equals y21_F159_200679_1218220 and P equals how plus to plus change plus the plus exercise plus schedule plus for plus my plus Kohler plus 11 plus RMY plus generator plus but plus can %92T plus find plus A plus procedure plus in plus the plus operating plus manual.
I don't see the steps I need to take to reset the exercise schedule in the material you sent. What steps do I need to take?
What setup are you looking for? Automatic? Where it automatical kicks in when utility power is lost.
It goes on once a week to exercise. I want to change the day and time that the exercise runs.
Okay, let me read how that's done. I'll be back in 5 minutes.
Okay.
Did you know that you can use the search bar to search the manual for whatever it is that you're looking for and it will take you right to where to read? Search bar is under the pages at the top right corner.
Can you just give me the steps to take?
This explains how to reset the exercise times. Please click on those 2 links. You have to be at the generator and follow these steps. Let me know if there is anything else that I can do to help. If you're at the generator tomorrow in the daytime, you can request a phone call from me and I will try and help you. Thanks.
My unit does not have an exercise button, so this is not the procedure for my unit, which is Kohler 11 RMY. I need procedure for my unit B.
Hello customer, it's the same manual for the 8.5 RMI and 11 RMI. Now you have to look through the manual for changing the exercise set and reset procedures. All of the links that I sent you come from this manual. https://www.manualslib.com/manual/822542/Kohler85rmi.html #product 11 Hope this works for you.
I already have this manual and have read it carefully. It does not provide a procedure to set the day and time of generator exercise.
Here is the toll-free number for KohlerPowerSystems.com. Call toll-free in the US and Canada 1-I have available to me the same resources as you do. Without being in front of the generator, I'm afraid that there is nothing else that I can help you with. The instructions that they provide are clearly stated in the manual. Please contact Kohler directly at the toll-free number listed above. It's also listed in the manual. I believe that they will be able to assist you further. Page 34, Section 3 explains how to set the controller. If you don't have a controller, then perhaps Kohler can tell you if you're able to add one. There is also an app that allows you to remotely program all your settings from a smartphone.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Have a happy and healthy new year.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.